Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp calls with no sounds. So to do this there is some simple few steps that we are going to see and check. First of all, you have to go to settings, and after that go to apps, and after that look for WhatsApp, and you have to be sure that you have this microphone like access green, and if you find it like that, that means WhatsApp don't have access to your microphone. So you have to click on it and let it be green, as you can see, to be sure that the microphone is working with WhatsApp. The second thing, sometimes when your device is connected to some Bluetooth speakers or some things like that, the sound go directly to those devices and you can't hear it from your phone. So for that problem, you have just to do a simple thing. You have to go to settings. Let me get back. So after that, you go to Bluetooth, and if you see that there is any connected like AirPods or any other type of speakers, you have to disconnect it or just to turn off the Bluetooth like that, and normally WhatsApp will work, or the voice or the microphone of your WhatsApp and the speaker will work normally. And the third part, and the most important part, if you are using low power mode, that sometimes limit a little bit the processing or the background data processing for your calls or of your calls. So you have to be sure, and you have to go to battery, and you have to check that you are not using low power mode. And the last thing that you can do is to offload or clear cache of the WhatsApp app. And to do this, it's really simple. You have just to go to General, and after that go to iPhone storage, and after that you have to look for WhatsApp. And as you can see, you can use the first option to offload the app, and after that, like this, click offload app, and after that click reinstall app, and like that you will not use any data from your WhatsApp, because what will happen is that the phone or your iPhone will refresh the data of this app, and in a few seconds it will be installed again with the same data inside it. So normally one of those solutions will work perfectly for you. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video and this video was useful for you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.